welcome to Kenya. Mama!
Gotta be done, mate.
I will just walk out of this bag.
I got Sloth minutes left. I'm done when I'm done.
Yeah.
Izzy's wears his best pants.
And when I wake up in the morning, my first thought is thank God I gotta get up and go get it. I'ma pull up in the foreign, I'm about to go all in, I ball in a roll, my leg Dennis, no era, no fitted. Yeah. Scheme with my soldiers like I'm a lieutenant, they do what I tell them. I tell them to get it and get it and get it and get it.
This is what it's like being CharlieSloth.
Off to Kenya, right? Alright, now to Kenya. First thing in the morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you, sir.
Really excited about Kenya. I'm really tired at the minute, but I'm really excited about Kenya.
First time playing here.
Ready for it. Here for it. We out here. Going to our gate. Hello! Hi! No way! I'm going too fast! Speeding! Boogie life.
Please proceed immediately to gate C16.
Mate, we are lucky we got that buggy.
جاء التوجه حالا إلى البوابة رقم.
See you soon, mate. I'll send you some pictures from first. Oh, they've got a shower in this one. Yummy. Might get a client. 3 million?
Hey, got the client.
One's a billionaire here. It's not even a joke. I can say that. Just in that account alone, I was a billionaire. I'm gonna print out some balances and keep them in my wallet. Big boss. How are you, bro? I'm easy, mate. Good to meet you, bro. Welcome to Kenya. Thank you, bro. First time, thank you.
Zane, we're CharlieSloth. Just touched down in Kenya. It's about to get silly out here. Already I feel real welcomed. You know what I mean?
Do you know in Swahili?
Nah, teach me some, man.
Mannie, that's which one should we get, Charlie? Mambo.
Mambo.
Yeah, that's like
How are you?
like, yeah, what's up?
Mambo.
Mambo.
What's the response?
Hoa.
Hoa.
It's like cool. Can I get like a group shot with this? Like,
Yeah, let's do it.
real quick one. This.
Archer. Oh shit. Whoa. Thank you, bro.
So they usually do international artists. It's the first time they're doing a DJ one. It's a new concept that they want to try.
What's the feedback been for it?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's sold out. It's done. Tickets are done. It's phenomenal. I mean, Alan, the guy that he's me and him have been working on this concept. It was his idea, and he came to me with it, and I was like, let's do it. Let's do something different. The good thing about this event, it's more about the experience. They spend more money, invest in the concept than just trying to market an event. You know, that's why you get all the bells and whistles, the staging, the look, the feel, and that's what you want. You know, even as you as talent, you're like, that's.
It's all about experience, man.
It's about the experience.
Everything's
Everything. Everything. Let's see you in a bit. Get some rest. We're around. All right, man.
Yes, okay.
Gotta be done, mate.
Can I get some calamari as well, please?
Yes, please. The
Thank
small
you.
one, the large one?
A small one, please.
As a starter or should we bring
Starter,
it?
please.
Ah.
But you can bring it whenever, yeah.
That's
cool.
Would you like some more vegetables?
Yeah, please.
And which sauce would you like to have?
It's like, at the end, I was like,
Thank you, sir.
You welcome.
Thank you very much. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, man.
That's good.
Appreciate you, bro.
Most
Thank you,
welcome. Yeah, take it.
I like it here.
Beautiful land, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Coming off that main road.
Beautiful.
You'd never ever have thought. Just school over there. 42. Yeah, let me take your badge, John. Where are you?
Go the next block, Charlie.
Am I?
Yeah.
No.
100%.
No, I'm not. No, we're not. We come out and we come straight to the steps, John. I'm telling you.
We
All right.
that, you know, free will.
You're risking it for a biscuit.
$1,000,000%. Oh yeah, you're right. $1,000,000%.
If I fell over down here, I'd just roll to the bottom, literally.
So would I. Imagine walking down here, Stephen. At night. Scorpions and snakes at your feet.
Seen a lizard before.
Did you?
Yeah.
Big one or little one?
Half an hour. At reception.
Yeah.
Starting back to gym. That's it.
So on the way to a radio station to do a little interview. You know how we get down, straight out of Camden Town.
What's your first impressions of Kenya?
I really like it. Seems really nice. Not got to do too much so far, obviously, but so far so good. How are you, my brother? Hello. Yeah, good? How are you, bro? Are you good? Good. Yes. Welcome.
Where'd you go
19. 19? Yeah.
It's weight limit. Somebody ate too much, I'm telling you. Yeah, you know what? One person needs to jump out. Yeah, we good. There we go.
Shit.
It's the weight.
It's good.
No, it's going down.
It's opening up the ground for them. That was you that jinxing that, you know? Yeah, 100%, man. We're stop. Let's do it in sections. Let's do it in 2 trips.
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 trips, that's it. Okay, it's moving.
Moving? Yeah,
we good. We good.
That was just a weight, man.
It was.
And that was you.
It wasn't me, mate.
When you went, woof!
I just wanted to get
I
out
felt
there.
the lift move.
Yeah.
Moe Shandon chair.
So the show is called The Hype. It's hosted by a lady called Wanjira. The DJ right now is DJ Sleek. He's a hip hop DJ. Good vibes, banter, just to get to know you. What you're all about. You being in Kenya, how's the experience? Jameson connects. Yeah,
Nice.
100%.
Thank you.
What's up? You're out.
The Hype on 90.4 Capital FM. Believe it.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Pleasure, Wanjira. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Getting big bounce right here on your best mix of music, 98.4 Capital FM. It is, of course, Wanjira right here, and I promise you that you are going to have the most amazing DJ on air. It is the one and only CharlieSloth. How you doing, baby?
Yeah, boy! Come on! That was a wonderful introduction. I like that.
Hey, thank you very much. It's the energy for me.
Yeah. I pull up with the energy. I leave the energy wherever I go.
There's going to be a lot happening tomorrow. Are you excited?
I am gassed. It's the first time I'm ever playing in Kenya.
Yeah.
In Africa.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It feels good to me. It feels like the right time to be here. I just feel like musically, Africa is at the forefront of everything that's happening around the world right now. I'm blessed to travel around the world and play all around the world, and you can't go to a club in 2022 without hearing a record from Africa.
Something from the continent.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what part. South.
That's testament to the artist and the amount of work that's being put in over here. And I think there's just so much synergy between Africa and the UK in general.
Yes.
And plus, my heritage comes from a stone throw away. My family's from the Seychelles, so it feels good to be here.
Yeah,
Am I one of your favourite guests ever?
You're definitely one of my favorite
Like when
guests.
I leave, can you put like a picture up on the wall, son?
Yeah, definitely.
That'd be sick.
But only if you will kiss it and autograph it for me.
100%. How about you draw a picture?
Okay.
That would be sick, like a portrait.
Are you ready for my drawing skills?
Yeah, are you good?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Yeah, just do a quick doodle now, and we can post it up on socials.
Okay, I'm gonna
Don't-
I'm gonna do it while by the end. By the time you're leaving,
Yeah.
we'll have something for you.
100%.
Promise.
But don't be doing like no snowman, like round head, round body thing. Don't-
If anything, it might be a stick figure.
That's even worse.
Why?
Because I ain't no stick figure.
So you want me to draw you in your likeness?
In my likeness.
But you have to also understand that art is interpretive.
Okay, it is that. It is that.
All right, and I want everyone here to be really honest about
I will just
this.
walk out of this bed. I look like a homeless man.
What? Now, why y'all laughing so hard?
And why is my face so skinny?
You know, I wasn't ready with the contouring.
You're gonna get complaints about that picture. It's actually right. It's all right. It's not even that bad.
Thank you. Yes.
Things is tough.
All right.
Wow.
Up to you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
That's what we do, Steve, innit, mate?
Just what we do, Gary.
Morning. Had a bit of breakfast, bit of fruit. Now we can answer the press conference.
Let's get one of them stair escalators.
You know what I mean?
Stair lift.
Stair lift.
Yeah, anything before? Whiskey, we can have a cocktail at the bar.
Yeah, let's get a cocktail. Let's do it, man.
How you doing?
I'm not drinking. I'm just testing. Know what I mean?
It's just experience.
Experience.
Exactly.
Experiential. So what are we making?
We're gonna make, of course, it's Jameson based.
Yeah.
We're gonna use dragon fruit as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like gonna be like a dragon fruit sour.
Oh, nice. I like the sound of that.
Tasting, huh?
Yeah. That's really good. That is really good. Well, what are you drinking? Jameson and coffee.
Irish coffee,
Irish
yeah.
coffee. I like that. Good branding.
It's Musa. What's up, bro? Charlie, nice to meet you, my guy. Respect, bro. Pleasure.
Welcome to the meet and greet today. My name is G Money. I'm joined by some amazing pioneers in their field.
Hi, I'm CharlieSloth from the UK, bad boy DJ. Been doing this for a minute. Some people may recognize me from Fry in the Booth, the biggest freestyle platform in the world. Really excited to be here today. Gonna put on a mad show. It's what I do, just energy, big records, and I'm really excited to be here.
I'll ask a question to all of the DJs. First of all, Charlie, we love Fire in the Booth. Here in Kenya, we watch what you do. Could we have a Kenyan artist on Fire in the Booth?
I love that. I'd love to do it while I'm here.
Yeah, my
serious,
favorite.
I got time for that. While I'm here, we can do that. If you guys put me on to who's the hottest, I've had like 10 different people send me lists of like who's the hardest out here right now. And I was up this morning at 5 a.m. just up until I come here, just watching bare videos online. So I'm here for that. I've got my team with me, we can make that happen.
I'm just copying your door.
Go to my radio show now.
Pleasure to meet you, bro.
Here we go, mate. Little water, keep me hydrated. On our way to the show, Kenya, our first show here. Obviously, I'm gonna light it up. That's just what I do. That's what I'm just trying to keep the energy at a fine balance. Can't overdo it before the show, because otherwise it leaks. The gamma rays leak out. Hence why I'm drinking water. Got some records ready, man. Pulled out some dub plates that I forgot about. I had to dip into the hard drive. I got some mad dub plates, you know. But I'm just like, oh shit, I forgot I even had that. Will I play it? Who knows? I'm definitely ready for it though. Be interested to see how they react to what I've got for them. So I've never played to Kenyan audience before. So I don't know what's popping, I don't know what's not popping. I don't know what UK records will work, what UK records won't work. But my thing is, just do me in it. Like what I do everywhere else around the world. And I think that hopefully it will resonate with the people just because of the energy and the way I play the records. And I think like even the way that I mix records, I don't see other DJs mix records like me. They don't, do they? Like DJs just bring the record in, let it sit in there. Like I'm chopping, cutting, flexing, switching. But anyway, we're on our way. Hopefully it's gonna be a good party. Izzy's wears his best pants.
Hello, which way? Awesome. In the room? Yeah. Thank you.
We got loads of alcohol, man. We good. Oh, I like that. Mosquito spray, bro. Mosquitoes love me out here, man. I don't take no risks. What drink is that, miss? Okay. No way.
One, come on.
No way, I can't drink it. That's the only drink I can't drink. Chocolate. Can do the chocolate one.
You want the chocolate?
Let's try that.
Cheers to life and to tonight.
More
Cheers.
blessings.
To
Life,
Nairobi,
more blessings. Kenya, more life.
Woo-wee.
That is good, that.
Yeah?
That is good.
Dopest, flyest, OG pimp, hustler, gangster player, hardcore motherfucker.
You know it's only gold bars we deal with.
So Charlie, we need some more flavors. Only AU that I'm drinking. Tonight I'ma crash the boat. I got floaties, I ain't sinking. Celebrating my position. Only one in my division. When I told they better listen. With this premium gold that I'm sipping. So Charlie, we need some more flavors. Only AU that I'm drinking. Tonight I'ma crash the boat. I got floaties, I ain't sinking. Only one in my division. When I told they better listen. With this premium gold that I'm sipping.
Kenya, please get ready. Let's turn in the air right now.
I've been busy making shreddies. I got this feeling all up in my belly. No chance to get the go bottles ready. I'm on my way from the deli. I ain't gotta say it, know where I'm at. Bottles on the table, girls on my lap. I didn't leave it all behind me. Hey, you bottles, where you find me?
How you gonna sing it? CharlieSloth in the building. Everybody's hands go up.
Back at the club, it's going off. I got buddies trying to fuck with the boss. They know who I am, they don't know what it costs. But see we do also, she don't give a toss. Whoa, wow. Sure, you're making me proud. Turn around, bounce, do it for the crown. Do it for the crown.
Can you please make some fucking noise?
Real
It's my first time in Kenya. The people of Kenya are so beautiful, so accommodating. It's one of my favorite places on the planet right now. I love it here, man. Kenya, I love you people right now. It's the last one from CharlieSloth. Before I go, Kenya, please. Anytime I come to a party, good vibes, good energy.
That's right.
And we spread that love. I need everyone to take their right hand right now, please. Take your right hand right now. The right hand right now, please. Put your right hand in the highest. And put your right hand around the person next to you right now. I don't give a shit if you know them or not.
That's right.
Okay, if you know them. Put your right hand around the person next to you right now. Good vibes. Good energy. And we spread that love.
I've known you for a lifetime, baby. I know you are my lifeline, baby. Lifeline. I don't wanna see you walk away. I don't wanna see you walk away. I know that we may fight sometimes, and we may never see eye to eye.
Good vibes only.
I don't wanna see you walk
Good energy only.
No, no, I don't wanna see you walk away, baby.
Jameson connects, are you there? Welcome to the CharlieSloth. I need you guys to go crazy right now. Let me tell you one of the baddest names coming out of the UK right now.
Vibes and vibes. Brooklyn boys.
Hey,
Brooklyn
hey,
boys.
my guys, I fuck with them. Trust me.
Communication. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Killed it.
Kill the vibe.
Come on, man. My guy.
Come on, bro.
You blessed?
Maza.
My guy.
That's a Maza right there, you know what I'm saying?
Maza.
Yeah, Zimmy.
You did so well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that.
Have you enjoyed being in Kenya?
I love it here.
You have to come back.
I'm coming back 100%.
You have to come back.
100%.
You have to come back.
No doubt I'm coming back.
200%.
500.
200%.
Thank you for having me.
It was lit. We loved it.
I enjoyed
You gotta
that.
come back though.
I'm coming back 100%.
Yeah?
Charlie.
No, we're leaving. Are you good?
Good set.
Let's go. Good set.
What?
Bro, energy. I've never seen you.
didn't see? No, I was in the zone. I was fluent.
Backstage, people in the audience. Difference is from the UK to here. You don't wave the hands, you know what I mean? They're enjoying it, but you heard it. And then you look backstage, everyone was just raving.
We're leaving.
Killed it.
Yeah, it was like, it's decent still. Shut down. I just see waves of people. I see it be empty, and then I'll just see waves of people. There was a couple men in the front like, yo, my brother. I was like, yeah, don't know, my G. We 30 out here. It's my guys, my Kenya guys. I enjoyed that though. That was a good party. I was in my own little zone for a minute. Everyone's like, yo, you got 10 minutes left. I was like, I got sloth minutes left. I'm done when I'm done. I weren't finished. I'm going to bed now though. It feels like we've been on the road forever. I need a break. I ain't stopped, man. I need just 5 days, maybe 7 days with my kids, just chilling, man. It's been a mad year already. Ellis knows. Ellis is like, yeah, Charlie, oh yeah, it's all mate. Mad pride moment. Like coming to Kenya, Africa, first time playing here, getting that kind of reaction, seeing people come up to us and embracing us and showing us love. Like for me, I can't even explain that feeling. Like humbled. And yeah, like, that's why I do this thing. For people to be like, yo, Sloth, man, you're sick, you know. I just love music. I love playing music. I'm pretty good at playing it. Some people would say I'm the best DJ in the world. I wouldn't say that. I'll probably say the universe. But yeah, I enjoyed that. You enjoyed that, El?
Loved it.
I'm alright, innit? I'm alright on these streets. I get caught up, you know. But anyway, we're going back to the hotel. Flying back to Dubai first thing in the morning for our last show of the season, which is going to be mad as well. I mean, it's been a mad year in general. We're not even halfway through the year, it's still May, bro. When you deep that and how much we've done already, how many shows we've done, and now we start the islands in Europe, and it's mad. But yeah, like gracious, grateful. That's why we do this, man. It don't stop, so neither do we. Thank you, Kenya. Like, I genuinely love you guys. We out of here. God bless.
Back to Dubai. What are you at? Yeah, I feel good. I didn't really sleep, you know. I woke up about 4:30. Went back to bed for half hour. And I've been up since. To the airport.
You got AC on, please, boss.
I just got the lads on the first class bus. A bit crowded on that other one. Oh, mate. We're going from one oven to another. Up there, lads.
We had the two games up at the same time.
I did say, I told that I was going in between the both.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. When Coutinho scored, I was back. It was meant to be. Just landed back in Dubai. Didn't get the result with the footy that we wanted. So close. And I was calling it all day today and all day yesterday. I was like, Tino's gonna score. We're gonna win it. It just didn't happen, but still one more to play for. It's a big one as well. The head hostess was really nice on the plane as well. She allowed the lads to come up and sit in first class for the last half hour of the flight, which I'm not sure was a good idea because now they've all got a taste for it.
Aircon.
For me, I am Lionel Messi meets Ronaldo meets Neymar of this DJ live show thing.
Goddamn.
With a little bit of Pele.